let me tell you a story. Okay, I get one friend with a wife. They dey together, they live life, everything they okay. No wahala. But one thing wey can happen be say they never get pikin. That one na still normal things. Not be everybody don't get pikin wey don't marry. Come they stay. One day, now this man come back work early. Before you know, your wife stay close work early. He say, madam, what did they happen? He say, get us body they do am. Say, in the go hospital. Come book appointment for hospital, come go hospital. As he reach hospital now, he can't come back. They happy say, he don't get belle. Your husband hug and rush am. Oh, you don't get belle, fine. Before you know, pikin don't they be, they don't born. They come born fine, beautiful girl. Oh, if you see the girl, to born they hungry you. They look me like that. I they tell you true life story, they look me like say what is this one they talk. Pay attention, my friend. So, now the pikin come they grow. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. The man say this pikin no resemble him. The pikin no resemble him, he no resemble his wife. Who this pikin resemble? Every day when they wake up, this pikin go dey resemble everybody. Today he go resemble the woman sister. Next tomorrow, the woman friend. The other day, he resemble the man brother. The other day, he resemble the man colleague. He just dey resemble everybody. 1 week, this one pikin don resemble 14 people. And he say, this man vex. Now you mind come tell us, hey, because these two people self, today this one go dey work right, tomorrow the other one go dey work there. They know they stay house together. Then they hardly they do something. So you can't say even that day self when they do something, this when if you remember before this pikin come. See quick rush come out. And you don't know what to make a rush come out. But he remember say rush come out. Go ask the wife, I know rush come out. The wife say yes now. He say this pikin not be I say he go do DNA. The wife say no DNA. He say he must do DNA. You must find out. And the wife tell her say, if you like, carry me go village meeting and not do DNA. He said, must do DNA. And the man come, wife come say, okay, we must do the DNA. And the man come go check DNA price. As he see price for DNA, now he look this picture. Tell the wife, say if they add yellow and red together, say the color not they be yellow. Say the color they be orange. Say this pikin na lovely daughter. May everybody forget what they happen. That's to tell you, say DNA they cost. Pikin na your own. Whether na you born am or not you born am. But make sure say na you born your pikin. No, let me they talk those also. Bye.